गोवा विकास पार्टीचो नुवेचो आमदार मिकी पाशेको आणि काँग्रेस उमेदवार आले सिकेराच्या कार्यकर्त्यांमदी शेनवारा दनपारा नुव्या पेटले. कितले मतदान जालें हें विचारपाक मिकी जेन्ना मतदान केंद्राचेर गेलो तेन्ना बूथ लेव्हल ऑफिसरान खंय फायल काडून भायर भिरकावन मारली. मात ही गजाल पुलीस वग्गी पळयत रावले म्हणून मिकीन पुलिसेचेर फोग काडलो. पुलिसांनी निमणे मिकीक बुथावेल्यान भायर काडलो.
I am telling you, you can only have a round. You can't wait here. I'm asking percentage. I'm just asking a percentage. Chala, first. What is the percentage?
570.
Out of
Almost 60%.
60%. Tense kind of na situation tense जावपाक कितें दिवपाक कशें तशें दिवपाक जायना न्हू. आमी दुसऱ्याक दिवपाक शकना न्हू. फायल काडून दोनला उडोवप.
पयलीं बटन मारी म्हणून.
आणि प्रिसायडींग ऑफिसर आहा तो BLO आहा तो घराक रावता आणि पुलीस बायज आहा ते भायल्यान रावता. सांगल्या कंप्लेन पासून केल्यार भायल्यान रावता तेंगे हांवें कंप्लेन केलें ऑफिशियली कंप्लेन केलें बाबा BLO आहा तो पयलीं सांगता पयलीं बटन स्टार्ट करून मार आनी हेर मागीर खंयचो बटन मार पयलीं स्टार्ट करपा पयलीं बटन मार आनी सांगिलां मॅशीन स्टार्ट करपा म्हणटा ते मॅशीन स्टार्ट करपा पयलीं बटन मारता हांवें कंप्लेन केलें पुलीस आहाय दोळ्या पान पासून आहाय पुलीस बट दीस इज हेंगे थोडे हेंगे पुलीस ऑफिसर बायज आहा हिंगा.
Because a file is believed to have been thrown out of the window with the voters list.
Or taken out of the office.
Taken out of the polling.
Well, I've seen that. I've just arrived.
Yes.
I'm not aware of anything, so I can't comment.
भारतीय हॉकी टीमीन ऑलिम्पिक्साच्या पात्रतायेच्या मॅचीत सहज जैत जोडून परत एक फावट ऑलिम्पिक्सात तांची सुवात पक्की केल्या. ह्या जैतान भारताच्या राष्ट्रीय खेळाकडे लोक वळपाक लागल्यात हे खरें. ते भायर खेळाची लोकप्रियताय लोकांमदी भयंकर वाडल्या. ऑलिम्पिक्सात भारताचो पंगड पावपाची हॉकी खेळगड्यांची खोशी जाणून घेवपाक प्रुडंट कांय खेळगड्यांकडे उलयले. अजापाची गजाल म्हळ्यार लोक केन्ना ना तितले रुचीन वर्ल्ड हॉकी सिरीज पळोवंक लागल्यात.
Must have watched the hockey road to the Olympics. How many of you all watched it?
Yes. All of us have watched it.
Okay, how much watched that?
Yes, we watched it.
Okay.
We watched it.
Didn't qualify for the last Olympics, so they made it this year.
After 8 years we are qualifying, so it's a proud feeling for us, and I know we'll do good in Olympics and we'll bring a medal for sure.
We have played with most of the players who have represented India and right now, so it was a great pleasure to see players who have played with us and performing well at that level, and we hope India doing well at the Olympics and bringing us medal back.
I didn't watch the matches. I had gone for a selection for India.
So term is at a great victory because the teams which participated were not of high caliber. Of course, we deserve to win, and if we cannot beat such low ranked teams, then but anyway, we have won it. That's it.
India played well. They are coming up, and I hope they do well. They have played really fast hockey this qualifying, and I wish them all the best.
Have to play hard. And I wish them all the best.
IPL is there. The cricket is being watched. Something similar to that in the hockey league has started. So I'll going to be watching that.
Yes, sure. Yeah, we will be watching it, and it's good to see many sponsors coming in for the hockey. It's a good thing for us. Not directly, but indirectly, it will benefit us, like through the associations and all that. So it's a good thing for hockey that the Super League is happening.
Do you all think something like this for the women's hockey is required, and what can be done to do it?
So women should get more exposure compared to like men's team they're getting. So like a little more attention for the women's team would do better for the team.
They should conduct more for women's also.
Yeah, more tournaments, better the improvement in hockey. There'll be more players, people liking hockey. Since now there's more people liking cricket, people will start liking hockey now since cricket also is going down these days and hockey coming up. Yeah.
Looking forward to playing in such a league if it happens in the country. Will you all be looking forward to playing in such a league?
Yeah.
Felt bad because we don't have AstroTurf in Goa. That is
it's
the
a high
main reason.
time, very high. It's like we require AstroTurf here in Goa. It is.
Because also our boys would be there playing if we had a turf somewhere 20 years ago.
When we go perform outside, it becomes a very big difference between our performance level and theirs, because we performing on grass and then suddenly going on AstroTurf becomes difficult. Opportunity to work on AstroTurf, we can say our juniors will surely make it to such kind of teams, on even for India one day.
Being a vice captain of the senior nationals, which went to Bhopal, there's one thing what is lacking is that we do not have an AstroTurf ground. All the players in Goa have got very good skills, to tell you, but when we talk in the terms of facilities in Goa, especially the AstroTurf ground, we are much behind.
So the feeling here is very mutual. Everybody wants an AstroTurf in Goa. There are a lot of skilled players, Goans who've stayed in Bombay, who've always made it to the national team. A lot of talented players over here, hoping to probably play in the Super League or even for the national side. With video journalist Omkar Falari, this is sports reporter Nikhil Pereira.
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसात जाल्यार आमच्या www.prudentmedia.in ह्या वेबसायटीचेर पळोवंक मेळटल्यो. घडटात तश्यो बातम्यो जाय जाल्यार तुमी आमचो ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा फॉलो करात. www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकाउंटाचेरूय तुमकां आमच्यो बातम्यो वाचूंक मेळटल्यो. आनी इतल्यान खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.